Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about balance of payment. But my topic is disequilibrium. What is the disequilibrium? Means when export and import is not equal. So what are the reason of export and import is not equilibrium, or you cannot say that it is in the stable position? So this topic is called disequilibrium or balance of payment. So my dear student, in every developing country or underdeveloping country, they have faced this problem of disequilibrium or balance of payment. Here I am going to explain what are the main reason in which we are facing. The first reason is that fall in foreign demand. My dear student, what is the reason fall in foreign demand means? When the change of the taste of the fashion of the consumer, the demand will automatically go in fall. This will become decrease in the export of the goods, as well as because the third reason you can say that fall in the foreign income. My dear student, here you can say the demand of any commodity is going to be fall. Why? Because the number one reason is that income of the is also going to fall and decrease in the export. Now the second reason which are facing by any developing country, why? Here, because every developing country they have a inflationary pressure. Inflation means they have not going to afford that price in which they are in the market. So I am given one reason here, imports of foreign goods. Here what is the import of foreign goods? Means during the inflation, this developing country are going to import the foreign goods because these goods are more cheaper than domestic goods. Now the third point here, decrease in supply. Basically, you observe that every developing country they have faced the limited supply of commodity to the consumer. That is why they are going to increase the import. So what are the reason why their supply falls? The first reason, every developing country face the floods. You can say that shortage of foods, limited stock. These are the main things in which you are facing that decrease in supply. It means that the supply is less and demand is more, so they are going to make a import. So this is the third reason when balance of payment face disequilibrium. Now the fourth point, population. What is the population? As you know that every developing country they have a very more population, where you can say that they have a very more pressure by the population. Why? Because they have a limited supply, they cannot meet the demand of the commodity. That is why they are going to import. In this situation also they are going to import of the particular goods and services because they have a less domestic production of the commodity. Now the fifth point, increase in the foreign exchange. What is the meaning of foreign exchange? That is the value of foreign currency. We are telling about the foreign exchange, means the foreign exchange that is called the dollar, yen, whatever the foreign currency we are talking. But here appreciation means the value of domestic country was also increased because they are going to import a particular goods from another country. So appreciation also going on in this type of country. So my dear student, you keep remember disequilibrium of balance of payment. You have to write 4 points. So you have to learn these points, whatever I have explained, and remember this point. And remember one thing, we are also facing in our country same situation. Thank you, my dear student.